Alright, so quick video, it's been a while. This is Cardano, so very nice looking triangle at this point. I think we're going much higher in this last impulse for this 3 in red. So it's a tough current from there, but I think I like the 1-2-1-2 for the reason that if this is also 1-2 of a higher degree, then I mean, we need another wave, I think, to reach this credible target for wave 3 around I don't know, 1.5, $2, something like this. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. FTT looks amazing, like as usual. I mean, I'm really bullish on that coin. Looks amazing against Bitcoin. Right, I mean, I called the exact bottom here. We're up like, what, 60-70%? Yeah, 70% since then, in 1 month. It's going much higher as well. I mean, it's probably 1-2, right? Wave 3, I mean, who knows? Who knows? Like, I mean, it can really moonshot. Yeah, 200% is the minimum. This triangle, I mean, you could play it. It was really, really nice in small time frame. Like, really easy to spot it. It was really clean. You can play it on leverage, actually, on FTX exchange. Right, I mean, look, it was, I think we reached the 618 to the tick almost. Yeah. We just front ran it just tiny bit, but it was really nice triangle. And I think it's going much higher now. Why I'm so bullish? Like, because people have targets at, I don't know, 20. I think it's going much higher than 20. Like, reason is if you look at market cap, I think FTT right now, where is it? It's around, yeah, it's here, 1.1 billion. And if you compare it to something comparable, which, like for example, Binance coin, it's sitting almost 7 billion. So there's a lot of room to, you know, to go up. Pretty crazy chart. Count not easy, but you know, like since inception, what's crazy is that we barely retraced. And yeah, I mean, I think it's 1-2 with a very, very shallow retracement here, because we have this triangle here. It's the only thing which is clear in this structure. So, I mean, I have to continue like this. And yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we reach crazy targets like this in the end. I mean, maybe this wave 3 is not gonna go that high, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm pretty bullish on this. You're gonna find the link in the description to register to get 5% of your fees from FTX. If you register from the link, I will put it in the description. And yeah, I mean, on FTX you can also, you know, trade all these crazy stocks everybody's talking about right now. You won't be shut down like you were on Robinhood or Webull or even Cash App or this kind of stuff. So, I mean, not that I recommend trading these stocks, but if you want, you can trade them on FTX. Anyway, back to cryptos. Nano, I still think like it's super triangle as well. I still think we're going to 11 bucks. And today the one I'm really looking at is Ethereum. Right, so this triangle, I mean, not super clean because D is not supposed to breach B, but at the same time on Elliott International, you know, you can find some example of triangle that they can't like this even when wave D is breaching the high of wave B. So I think it's not a disaster to continue like this. Yeah, and I think it's gonna skyrocket soon. I think I mean, it's not crazy to think we're gonna be at 1,900 by the end of the day, because, you know, when you start below the all-time high, like, you know, you stall, and when you break it, it's just skyrockets like we did on Bitcoin. So, you know, if you just compare the low to the high and take this target, you go to 1,000 850. There was another coin like this last year. It was Link, right? All-time high, then it stole, ascending triangle, and boom, moonshot, right? So I expect a moonshot today on Ethereum. Yeah, we're really excited. This coin I'm watching the most today. We'll see how it plays out. Alright, see you next time, bye.